Hello everyone and welcome back. While I was committing tons of mistakes all week trying to get the DOTS navigation system working, I wanted to take my mind off of it for a while so I could step back and think if I was doing it right. I love playing around with physics simulations and I was pretty surprised to see NVIDIA Flex plugin for Unity, which managed to somehow elude me for 2 years now. For starters, NVIDIA Flex is a plugin available for free in Unity Asset Store, which can be used for solid, liquids, and cloth simulation, etc., in the form of particles. I quickly went through few tutorials about how we can render fluids, and it was pretty easy to set up, and we can tweak a lot of parameters to get pretty amazing results. I wondered if it would interact with other objects, and it did. However, I was suspicious that it was only considering box colliders to interact with, and adding the rigid body to our cube did not seem to exert any force. Or maybe having a large container carrying water would matter. This got me thinking, I already have a car pulling a trailer. Can I carry this water wherever I want? Well, there was only one way to find out. Here is a simple scene which was used in one of my previous video, and I just have flex container and flex source set up here. As soon as I started, I noticed that I had issue with the hinge joint which was set up earlier. As such, the trailer was not getting pulled forward even with full throttle. I tried increasing the vehicle torque, but it did not help either. This was because there was no weight pushing down the trailer, and all wheel colliders and suspension was tuned to carry heavy weight. So every time I tried to pull the empty trailer forward, it was somehow pinning the trailer down to the ground at exactly the same point where hinge joint was set up. Well, the water was not adding any weight for sure. Maybe I was too silly to think it would add, after all, they were particles. The simulation was so believable, that is why I had to think realistically. And yes, I guess it was too sunny or there was not enough atmosphere to keep the water in liquid state for a long time, or in other words, particle lifespan was short and now that needed tweaking. I tried to cheat by increasing the water cohesion parameter so that the water would stick together while I carry it. But I wasn't carrying water anymore, it appeared more like a jelly or heavyweight motor oil. But our vehicle setup was very stable. We just needed some weight to substitute for that of water. So if water wasn't adding any weight, I may have to add my own weight in there. So I had to extend the trailer length and not to forget the box collider as well. Please do let me know if we can somehow add mass to these particles, as it would make this even more interesting. Finally, after much tweaking, I was able to carry some water across. Well, we could go all day tweaking and it is pretty amazing. So NVIDIA Flex, try it out and have fun while I get back to work on DOTS navigation system now. Hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next video.